Hey YouTube, just worked in the shop tonight. Tonight I am doing an intake on a mid-70s Corvette. Should have started the video a little bit earlier with the troubles of boosting cars in the wintertime. Customer complained that he had a cracked boss on his intake. That's it right there. JB welded it, but I think it's still leaked. Had some issues with that. Nice little intake. It's a Edelbrock C3BX. Yeah, it's a little tired, but whatever. Bunch of debris in there. Yeah. Here it is. Was told it made 400 horsepower. Really hard to see. It's got, stockish, stock heads, stock push rods. It's maybe got a camshaft. But, yeah, I'll put an update just as a short with a new intake of it running. It's got, this thing's so cool. Wow, coolish. It's got side pipes and a nice pearl paint job.